And they throw a fucking smoke. That's opportune if I do say so myself.
Take it, Bravo!
Man, they are like really fighting to hold this left side. You do not understand. I'm surprised that fire doesn't blow up the car. You know? And they threw another fucking smoke.
Bravo secured!
Wait, are you the one shooting right now?
He's about to form.
They're on B again.
That gunship inbound.
Never mind, it's already coming. Hopefully this is the attack helicopter, because that's way better at clearing points like this. For sure.
Moving to your target.
We for sure deserve to lose. Dude, why? God, why? Why are teammates so fucking inept?
If I get another one, I did it.
Are you serious?
Left, to your left, to your left! Oh my god, tank! Ah, no!
Fuck!
Never mind.
Got the backup.
One guy's pushing.
Alright.
Life. And you get me killed because you're stupid and can't look around corners. All went back.
I just killed like 10 people. What do you have to say that? What do you have to say to that, huh? I literally.
You're still stupid and you don't have any peripheral vision. You don't have peripheral vision. That's how blind you are. There's we just might as well.
Behind you, Sebastian.
I'm going up top. I'm going up top.
I need to reload!
Behind you, behind you, behind you. You completely.
This fucker upstairs.
Killed
There's
him.
one up top. There's one up top.
He's dead now,
One
but
top.
goddamn, I scared the shit out of him.
We're on it!
Oh my god, I failed. The point. You're gonna try to shoot him through the wall.
What the
And
fuck you just say to me?
that's why he's one shot. Yeah, my corner.
Window, look up, bro.
Yeah, they're
right on your damage.
Shot through the smoke behind the wall, dude. That makes no fucking sense.